Do you know how to back up iPhone to Windows 10 seamlessly? Okay, good question. We shall take you through some great methods to make a copy of your iOS device without trouble. Part 1. How to back up iPhone to Windows 10 with Assistant for iOS. In terms of flexibility, efficiency, and comprehensive performance, third-party software is the first choice for many Apple users to back up iPhones. Software like Mobikin Assistant for iOS can definitely back up an iPhone easily. How to back up your iPhone to Windows 10 with Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Get your iPhone recognized. Step 2. Determine what you want to back up. Step 3. Back up iPhone to Windows 10. Part 2. How to back up iPhone to Windows 10 computer via iCloud. Go to iPhone Settings, your name, iCloud Backup. Go for Backup Now to back up your iPhone to iCloud. When it's done, visit iCloud.com on Windows 10, log in with your iCloud account and check the backup files. Choose the items you want and tap the download icon to get them onto this computer. Part 3. How to back up iPhone on Windows 10 using iTunes. Open iTunes Windows 10. Connect iPhone via Lightning cable. Click device icon. In summary, choose this computer to back up. Click Backup Now to start backup. Extra tips: how to move iPhone backup file to an external hard drive. Create MobileSync folder on external drive. Copy iPhone backup from PC. Paste into MobileSync on external drive. Rename default folder to backup old.